Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own trail mix Daniel fast friendly. So that means that it does not contain any deep fried foods. It also doesn't contain any sugar in any of these items that I'm going to be using. So the first thing you're going to need is a Ziploc bag or some type of bag that you're going to keep your trail mix in. So I'm just going to use a smaller Ziploc bag. And I got all my other ingredients from the supermarket. You can also get things like this from Walgreens and Walmart as well. So I'm going to be using roasted salted peanuts, dried apricots, sunflower seed kernels, and raisins. You don't have to use the sunflower seeds if you don't want. And I would suggest that you use each dried fruit that you like. Just make sure that you read the ingredients and make sure that it doesn't have any sugar in it. If you look at the ingredients on my apricots, there's nothing but apricots and sulfur dioxide. I guess they have to use that as kind of preservative to promote color retention. So no sugar or anything crazy is added into this. And then for the raisins, the only ingredient for the raisins, and I use some made raisins, California seedless raisins. Okay, and I'm gonna use both boxes of that. That's my last two boxes of raisins. Before I was just adding raisins and peanuts to my popcorn, and my popcorn is Daniel fast friendly as well. It only has sea salt and a little oil, and you'll see that in my meals that I ate for the week video. And then the sunflower seeds, they are only raw sunflower seeds. It says raw shelled sunflower seeds, but it's not in the shell. And then for the peanuts, and you can use those sunflower seeds for so many different recipes as well. You don't have to just use it to eat as is or for trail mix. And then the roasted salted peanuts, they were only $2 for this big bag. And the only ingredients are peanuts, sunflower oil, peanut oil, and salt. Okay, and if you don't want your stuff to be too salty, then I would suggest to not get anything with salt added. Normally, the things that I have been getting that has salt in it is not really salty, but you can just get it plain, and then you could add your own salt to it if you like, or just keep it plain without any salt. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just open up my clear Ziploc bag. Okay, and I'm going to start off with the apricots because these apricots, they are really big in the pack, and you can't eat trail mix with really big pieces, so I'm just going to chop up a few pieces. And these apricots are also really good. They're also really good in salad too, so I'm just going to cut up a few pieces and put it in my Ziploc bag. You could cut the apricots as big or as small as you want. I like them to be like medium size, so I don't have to cut too many pieces. But and normally I would do something like this at home with like a cutting board and actual knife. But I'm winging it at work in my spare time. Okay, so you can even I cut up two pieces of dry apricots. You could use more if you like. I might add more, but I'm just gonna leave it at this amount for now. The next thing I'm gonna add are my sunflower kernels in there. I love this on my salad so far. Like so far, I've been loving my salad. So pour that in there. as long as those things aren't deep fried or have sugar in it. So add my peanuts. And now I'm gonna add my raisins. You can also add popcorn to this if you want to as well. If you have some popcorn that you like that is Daniel Fast friendly. So far I use the skinny popcorn. So you can add some of that popcorn in here too if you like. But I'm just gonna make this a regular trail mix. And then if I want to have it with my popcorn, I can just pour some of the trail mix into the popcorn. 1 box. Now adding the second box. Once you have that done, you could give that a good shake. Close it up and shake it up. You can also add salt and pepper in here if you want. Pepper isn't normally in trail mix, but you know, if you want to do something different, you can do that. Or you can add a little bit salt if it's not enough salt in it for you. But you don't want to go crazy with the salt because this is a fast. Now we're just going to shake really good so we can mix up all the ingredients, especially since we have those dry apricots at the bottom. I might cut up another one just to make sure I have enough in there. But look, here we go. It looks really good. And I see everything in here. I see the sunflower seeds, the peanuts, the raisins, and the apricots. So I think this is a good balance. I'll see how I like it. I could always add more apricot in there if I want to. But thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that it was helpful to you and you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.